Welcome to Lee Summit Subaru. When you bring your Subaru in for service, you want to know exactly what to expect. Here's a quick look at how your service experience works, from the moment you arrive until the moment you drive away. When you arrive, pull up to one of our service bays and you'll be greeted by one of our service team members right away. A service advisor walks around your vehicle with you to confirm services required for your appointment and answer any questions you may have. After checking in, you can relax in the customer lounge with comfortable seating, complimentary Wi-Fi, coffee, kids' play area, and space to get work done, or unwind while you wait. And if you bring your dog along, there's even an outdoor play area, so they're comfortable too. While you wait, Subaru certified technicians take care of your vehicle using Subaru parts and factory-approved service procedures, whether it's routine maintenance or something more involved. Once your service is complete, a service advisor reviews all inspections and everything that was done and answers any questions you may have, with eligible repairs backed by our Repaired for Life warranty, including lifetime parts and labor coverage. And for added convenience, we offer Subaru pickup and delivery, making it even easier to fit service into your schedule. It's simple, transparent, and designed around your experience. That's what you can expect when you service your Subaru at Lee Summit Subaru. We look forward to seeing you.